With years of experience in motor production technology, NIDE continues to support global customers, advanced motor production lines, custom automation solutions, end-to-end manufacturing expertise, processing equipment automation, raw materials parts, inspection testing equipment. NIDE will showcase its latest achievements in motor manufacturing, including automated production lines and integrated engineering solutions. With years of expertise in motor production technology, we sincerely invite you to visit us in Berlin and discover how NIDE leads the future of motor manufacturing. We look forward to meeting you at our booth. It is a key business platform for the electrical engineering industry, the world's leading exhibition for coil winding, electric motors, transformers, and e-mobility technologies. Exhibit categories at CWIEME Berlin: coils and windings, motors and drive systems, insulation materials and accessories, processing equipment and automation, raw materials and components, testing and measurement equipment.